20 degrees out here, and yeah, having fire. Full moon is shining through the frosty Alaskan permafrost of the trees and shit. It's pretty badass out here right now. Even though it's like in the teens right now, I feel hot and comfortable and just pretty good, pretty warm. Acclimated. Use this kind of heating up, you know, to heat yourself up and keep yourself good. Snow, ice, everywhere. Standing on it. Got my feet on blocks of ice right now. But I don't feel cold, I don't feel uncomfortable. It's crazy. It's like 28 degrees or in the teens right now. Full moon is rising up, but it's got foggy and fogged out again. It's just a foggy 20-degree fog coming in. This Alaskan birch forest, it's all crystallized with ice everywhere. Everything is frozen solid. It's a frozen winter wonderland, this place. It's unfucking believable, man. I mean, if it was clear right now, the full moon would be shining through all these crystals, blowing the place up, and stars would be shining all over. But the fog came in, and now you got like this blue hue in the sky. Which can't see on this camera, won't pick it up. This right here is some birch wood burning, and it smells great. It smells like sandalwood. Great aromatic wood burning right here, putting off a lot of heat. Just a beautiful life, beautiful fun, enjoyment in here and up in Alaska. Loving it here. It's a great place. Anybody, you know, loves this kind of life, this is where you want to do it. You want to be up here in Alaska. People are cool. Climate is cool. Magic, enchantment, and beauty everywhere.